Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can assign ringtone to contact on your iPhone 15 Pro. So to do this you have to open the phone dialer at first, then simply move to the contacts and right now pick one of it, for example this one. Right now click edit in the right upper corner and here you have to scroll down and pick the ringtone. Right now we can find a couple of the default ringtones. For example, I want to switch to this one, and that's how it also sounds. You can also pick, this sounds from the tone store, or we can download all purchased tones. So when you open it right here, you will be moved to the tones, and right now you've got option to buy any of these ringtones and get the custom one. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.